In this video, you'll learn how to enable the 120 Hz display on your Google Pixel 8. This feature enhances the visual experience by providing smoother animations and scrolling, making your interactions feel more fluid. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 8 and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Once you find the Settings icon, tap on it to open the app. Next, look for the option labeled Display and select it to access various screen settings. Within this menu, you should see options related to smooth display or refresh rate settings. It is important to ensure you are in the correct section, as this prepares you to enable the high refresh rate feature. After accessing the display settings, look for the toggle labeled Smooth Display. This option controls the ref rate of your device. Tap on the toggle to turn it on, which will enable the 100 Hz refresh rate. Keep in mind that activating this feature may consume more battery power, so be aware of your device's battery life. This step significantly improves the visual experience and overall performance of your Pixel 8. Once you've enabled the smooth display feature, it is time to test the display's smoothness. Begin by scrolling through your apps and menus to notice the difference in motion. You should experience a noticeable improvement in how animations and scrolling appear. Use your device as you normally would to fully observe the changes. If you find that the battery drains too quickly, you may want to adjust the settings to find a balance that suits your usage. Confirm that the feature is functioning as expected. Your Pixel 8 should now be operating at the 120 Hz refresh rate, providing a smoother experience across all applications. If you encounter any issues, revisit the display settings to ensure that smooth display. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.